everybody, my name is Delaney Dinline and I am a student at Riverview High School. I know this is a really weird time for all of us, so I thought I would share with you a little bit about the coolest place in the whole world. It's called the ocean. Every week I'm going to introduce you guys to a new species that lives in the deep blue sea, and I'm going to tell you some really cool fun facts about it. And this week we are going to start with one of my favorite animals in the whole world, the shark. Not many people think sharks are very nice, but they have so many cool features. And I'm going to tell you about one of my favorites. We're going to start with the hammerhead shark. This is him. Can you see how weird his head is shaped? It's all curvy and it sticks out and his eyes are at weird angles. Well, that actually has a purpose. Because his head is shaped so weirdly and it has so many sticky outies, it means he can see in 360 degrees, because all sharks have little teeny tiny specks at the top of their nose, right about here. And those specks help them to find fish because they can sense the heartbeat of the fish they want to go eat, which is a really helpful tool for when the fish are living in the sand or pretty far away. So that's one of the main ways that sharks can hunt. Another cool species of shark, let's pretend this is a great white. You see this line between his white belly and his gray body? That line is called countershading, which is a big fancy science word for they're dark on the top and light on the bottom. And what that means is that if you're looking down at a shark from above, he blends in with the deep dark waters below him. But if you look up at a shark, he blends in with the light coming from the surface. Isn't that neat? Another cool thing about countershading is that no two sharks have exactly the same line. It's like a fingerprint, so scientists can use it to tell which shark is which. Let's talk about another really awesome shark. This is called the shortfin mako shark. It's the fastest shark in the whole ocean. He can go up to 25 miles an hour through the water. That's super duper fast. I'm going to tell you guys one more thing before I go about sharks, and it is the most important thing about sharks. They are not mindless people eaters, like most people think they are. They really don't want to eat you. They just don't have hands. Their mouths are the only way they can figure out what you are. Sharks are really endangered though, and that means that there's not very many of them left. And that means that we have to try super extra hard to keep them safe. Remember to always pick up your trash before it can get into the ocean that the sharks live in. And remember to always make sure that the seafood you're eating is sustainable. And what that means is that you're not taking too much prey from the sharks just so that you can have a seafood dinner. That's all I got on sharks. Make sure you visit rhsaquascience.com, this link, and I'll put up a Microsoft form in case you guys have any questions about sharks or the ocean or Riverview or anything in general, and I'll see if I can answer it on the next video. Bye guys!